Welcome to Green Renovations, where we transform homes into eco-friendly havens. In this episode, we'll tackle a sustainable kitchen makeover. Let's start by replacing old appliances with energy-efficient models. Look for ENERGY STAR certified refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens. These can reduce energy consumption by up to 50%, saving both the environment and your wallet. For countertops, we're using recycled glass. It's durable, stylish, and diverts waste from landfills. Another great option is bamboo, which is rapidly renewable and adds a warm, natural touch to your kitchen. We're freshening up the walls with low VOC paints. These emit fewer harmful chemicals, improving indoor air quality, plus they come in a wide range of colors to suit any style. Installing a low-flow faucet can reduce water usage by up to 60%. We're also adding an aerator to further minimize water waste without compromising functionality. Swapping out those old bulbs for LED lights cuts energy use significantly. They last longer and provide excellent illumination for all your culinary adventures. For flooring, we're using cork. It's sustainable, naturally antimicrobial, and provides excellent insulation. Plus, it's comfortable underfoot, perfect for long cooking sessions. Thanks for watching from the volunteers at Seeds for Eco Communities.